Welcome to Mehran Engineers Forum. Today, we will talk about a fascinating field, civil engineering. We will explore what civil engineering is and what the future holds for this important profession. Let's get started. Civil engineering is one of the oldest and most essential branches of engineering. It involves designing, constructing, and maintaining the physical and natural built environment. This includes everything from roads, bridges, and buildings to water supply systems, sewage treatment plants, and dams. Civil engineers play a crucial role in shaping the infrastructure of our world. First, let's understand what civil engineering is all about. Civil engineers work on a variety of projects that improve our daily lives. They design and build structures that are safe, functional, and sustainable. They ensure that our roads and bridges can handle traffic, that our buildings can withstand natural disasters, and that our water supply systems are clean and reliable. Civil engineering can be divided into several subdisciplines. Structural engineering focuses on the design and construction of buildings and bridges. Geotechnical engineering deals with the behavior of earth materials and foundations. Environmental engineering works on solutions for environmental issues like water and air pollution. Transportation engineering designs and maintains transportation systems like roads, railways, and airports. Each subdiscipline plays a vital role in creating a safe and efficient infrastructure. Now, let's talk about the future of civil engineering. As our world changes, civil engineers face new challenges and opportunities. Here are some key trends that are shaping the future of this field. Sustainability is becoming increasingly important in civil engineering. With the growing awareness of climate change and environmental issues, there is a greater focus on designing and building sustainable and eco-friendly structures. Civil engineers are developing green building materials, renewable energy sources, and efficient waste management systems. These innovations help reduce the environmental impact of construction projects and create a more sustainable future. For example, green buildings use materials that are environmentally friendly and energy efficient. They often include features like solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and green roofs. Renewable energy projects such as wind farms and solar power plants are also becoming more common. These projects help reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and decrease greenhouse gas emissions. Another exciting trend is the development of smart infrastructure. Advances in technology are enabling civil engineers to create smarter and more efficient infrastructure systems. This includes the use of sensors, data analytics, and the Internet of Things (IoT) to monitor and manage infrastructure in real time. Smart infrastructure can improve the safety, efficiency, and sustainability of our cities. For example, smart traffic systems use sensors and data analytics to optimize traffic flow and reduce congestion. Sensor-equipped bridges can monitor their own health and alert engineers to potential issues before they become serious problems. These technologies help create safer and more resilient infrastructure that can adapt to changing conditions. Resilience is another key focus for the future of civil engineering. With the increasing frequency of natural disasters such as earthquakes, floods, and hurricanes, it is essential to design structures that can withstand these events. Civil engineers are developing new materials and construction techniques to create buildings and infrastructure that are more resistant to disasters. For example, new building materials like high-performance concrete and advanced composites can provide greater strength and durability. Innovative construction techniques such as base isolation for earthquake-resistant buildings can help protect structures from damage. Flood defenses such as levees and flood walls are also being improved to better protect communities from rising water levels. Technology continues to play a significant role in the future of civil engineering. The use of advanced software, drones, and 3D printing is transforming how civil engineers design and build structures. These technologies increase accuracy, reduce costs, and speed up construction processes. For example, drones can quickly and accurately survey large construction sites, providing valuable data for engineers. 3D printing can be used to create complex building components with precision and efficiency. Advanced software allows engineers to simulate and analyze different design scenarios, helping them make better decisions and optimize their projects. Finally, let's talk about civil engineering education and careers. To become a civil engineer, you typically need a degree in civil engineering or a related field. This education provides the necessary knowledge and skills to design and build infrastructure projects. Many civil engineers also pursue professional certifications to enhance their qualifications. Civil engineering offers a wide range of career opportunities. Civil engineers can work in the public or private sector for construction companies, government agencies, or consulting firms. They can specialize in areas like structural engineering, transportation engineering, or environmental engineering. The demand for civil engineers is expected to remain strong as the need for infrastructure development and maintenance continues to grow. In summary, civil engineering is a vital and dynamic field that shapes the world around us. The future of civil engineering is full of exciting possibilities, with new technologies and sustainable practices leading the way. Civil engineers will continue to play a crucial role in building and maintaining the infrastructure that supports our daily lives. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about engineering, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think is the most exciting trend in civil engineering? See you next time on Mehran Engineers Forum.